Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 7.2. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also, find the coordinates of the point of division. So let's mark what is given to us in a diagram. So I'm going to mark these as points A, which is 1, minus 5, and point B, which is going to be minus 4, 5. It is divided by a point in x-axis. Let me mark this point as C. So since it's a point on x-axis, its coordinate will be x, 0. We are supposed to find out the ratio, so I'm marking this as k is to 1. So now let's write once the section formula. So it is going to be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Once you need to write this formula in the exam perspective. So now let's say x is going to be equal to k into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1. Also, the y coordinate 0 is going to be k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1. If I try to solve here, I will not be able to solve because there's two variables x and k. So we will opt to solve from here. So this is going to be 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. If I take it the other side, 5k minus 5 is simply 0. So 5k is equal to 5, which is k is equal to 1. It seems to be that C is going to be a midpoint. So we have found the ratio as, so let's write the ratio. Ratio is 1 is to 1. Now let's find out what is the value of x. So in this case, I'm going to substitute k's value as 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, which is going to be x is minus 3 by 2. So the point C's value is going to be minus 3 by 2, 0, and the ratio is 1 is to 1. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in exercise 7.2.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.